Hi, it's Mike from AnywhereCam. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your Owl 4G camera in under a minute. In the box, you'll see your camera, your solar panel, and a few extras. You can go ahead and set most of those aside. All you need to get your camera connected is the Owl 4G camera and your phone. The one thing you'll want to locate first is the QR code for your camera. This will be on a silver sticker on the back of your camera. Before we move forward, let's go over a couple tips and tricks to help setup of your camera go smoothly. First, make sure you've downloaded the AnywhereCam app on your phone or tablet. It works on both Apple and Android devices. So especially if this is your first time setting up an AnywhereCam, download the app and create an account. It only takes a few minutes and it's completely free. We recommend charging your camera for at least a few hours, ideally overnight, before starting the setup. This ensures the camera has a full charge when you first deploy it. Last, please make sure you're in an area with strong cellular signal. This will help the setup process go much more smoothly. Now we're ready to get things started. Take your Owl Cam and flip it upside down. On the bottom, you'll see a waterproof flap. Pull that open and find the power switch. Slide that to the on position and that'll turn on your camera. Shortly after powering on your camera, it will start speaking to you. The camera will tell you it's initializing. This shouldn't take more than about 30 seconds. When you hear that, grab your phone and open the AnywhereCam app. Make sure you're logged into your account and on the home screen. When the camera announces that it's connected to the cellular network, go to the app and follow the on-screen instructions. It's super simple. From the home screen, tap the plus sign in the top right corner and then select Scan. A scanner will appear within the app. Hold your phone about 6 inches away from the QR code on the silver sticker. Once the code is scanned, the app will begin a countdown to connect your camera. After about 20 or 30 seconds, you should see a confirmation screen that looks like this. That means your Owl 4G camera has been successfully connected to your AnywhereCam app. If the timer expires and your camera hasn't synced to the app yet, you'll need to reset your camera and try again. If it still doesn't connect, it's usually due to a weak cell signal or possibly an issue with your camera. In that case, we recommend contacting our support team. Thanks for watching. Follow and subscribe to get the latest tips and updates from AnywhereCam.